Welcome to MJD'd. So today we're making a neon dog. So we have Bear, Nancy, Sis Oreo, and Bro Oreo. Ready to put the first one in?
Yes, so here goes in the first one.
It's in! It's Nancy!
It's Nancy, which is actually...
No, it's Bear. Bear went in just then. So now we are going to do Nancy.
Nancy is actually the dog I actually grew up. And Nancy is a really good pet to have.
Here's the next one. 3, 2, 1, in! Let's go for the next one. So the next one is Sis Oreo.
Sis Oreo is similar to her twin, Bro Oreo. Okay.
And now we're going to put it in.
Here goes Sis Oreo.
Here's the last one. I'm so excited. Brorio. He's in. Oh my gosh, the neon one's
It's
going.
gonna make it. It's gonna make it.
It's loading. Oh my gosh.
Yeah!
It's a neon dog.
Oh, and look at its ears. It's glowing.
And same with the
Nice
feet.
and
Nice, right?
Yeah.
Now we're going to pick him up. So cute. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.